We're going to do a bunch of songs off of our most recent album, the groundbreaking LP, Real Midnight. Actually, I'm not sure if it broke any ground. Sometimes you just have to say an adjective before you say LP.
It's possible that our daughter dug in a playground with it at some point. Might have literally broken some ground.
That's definitely the way compact discs are headed. But we had the honor of working with sort of a titan in the Americana world, a fellow named Joe Henry, and
He's so wonderful.
and it's a strange thing to work with someone you've admired from afar for a long time. Several of the records he's produced are just some of my very favorites, and I suppose you set yourself up for some disappointment. But he
Opposite.
he exceeded all expectations. He's just a singular dude, and we just had a great week making this record, and this is the title track, Real Midnight.
Real midnight's gonna come. Real midnight's gonna come. Real wounds that you don't. Blood on the tongues. And what you gonna do with your days left in the sun? Are you cruel to the one who loves you because you're tired, you're scared, it's easily done? And who's standing there when the anger comes and darkens your eyes? Give me those tender kisses, kiss my shoulders, kiss my eyes. Don't make me feel bad. Why would you do that? Why? Lift me up, lift me up, lift me up, lift me up. Don't cut, don't cut, don't cut, don't cut. I know you love me. Why would you cut me? Don't cut, don't cut, don't cut, don't cut me down. Hey, hey, hey. Give me those tender kisses, kiss my shoulders, kiss my eyes. Don't make me feel bad. Why would you do that? Why? Lift me up, lift me up, lift me up, lift me up. Don't cut, don't cut, don't cut, don't cut. I know you love me. Why looking up.